All right, introduction to computers. We looked at an app, MyScript calculator, pretty cool on the iPad. We talked about software, and then we headed up to do spreadsheet work. System software, we talked about these three: operating system, utilities, and drivers. Drivers are that piece of software that allows lots of different devices to work on your computer. Piece of software that makes that connection between your device. For example, today in class, this device, which is an iPad, was sending a signal to a Sanyo projector. I think it was a Sanyo. But anyway, device drivers make that connection to printers and mouse, keyboards, those type of things. Operating system, we talked about three areas, different functions. An operating system manages our resources. Memory, processor, storage, peripheral devices, all these things connected to our hardware. Different features of an operating system. The one we talked about first was the GUI, how you communicate with that computer. How does it manage that communications? And then different categories of operating systems. That could be the operating system in your microwave would fit in a different category than the operating system for a tablet, compared to operating systems in PCs or operating systems in large mainframes and so forth. They all have a little bit of a different category they function from. Utilities allow us to work with the operating system to manage things on our computers. Like a file manager, we can defrag and do work on the hard drive. We can back up files. Task manager, we can look at what processes are running on the computer, how busy is the processor, and different things like that. Maybe find software on our computer that's malware, shouldn't be there. There are different user info tasks. You can change passwords. You can manage who can get to which directories on your computer and so forth. All those utilities. Then we talked about apps, productivity apps. An example, but not exclusively that, but Microsoft Office, different apps that allow you to do different things on the computer to be productive. Spreadsheets, databases, small databases, presentation software, word processing, so forth. Custom apps, you can pay somebody to write you a specific app to do something, typically real expensive. Specific packages, an example now could be maybe you use TurboTax to do your taxes, or you use Quicken to do your books for your business. You can buy a specific package to do something on the computer like that. And then the gaming industry is huge. Gaming industry is huge. The students headed upstairs. They were going to reboot the machines, log into the network, browser. They're going to go to Dropbox, download the file on the computer, then upload that file into a Google Doc in order to work on it. And I'm going to head up there and see how that went. And then we're going to look at some examples using spreadsheets. And that's it.